Millions of people have begun to evacuate as Hurricane Milton continues to churn its way toward the west coast of Florida. It's a Category 5 storm right now. It's predicted to make landfall tomorrow night. Eyewitness News reporter Leanne Suter joining us with the latest on the storm's track. Leanne.
Mark, the window to evacuate is quickly closing as that monster hurricane churns its way towards Florida, back up to a Category 5 with winds up to 165 miles an hour. Milton may be the worst storm to hit the Sunshine State in over 100 years.
A terrifying sight as hurricane hunters are hit by extreme turbulence as they fly into Milton's monster eye wall. The massive storm set to take aim at Tampa, home to more than 3 million people, and hasn't seen a direct hit from a major hurricane in more than a century.
Well, my mom just lost everything in the Helene storm. Don't want to do it again or potentially have anything bad happen.
The race to escape coming to a crawl. As millions are being warned to get out before it's too late. A record storm surge up to 15 feet is expected to slam the coast.
You want to pick a fight with Mother Nature, she's winning 100% of the time. And individuals that are in these, say you're in a single-story home, 12 feet is above that house. So if you're in it, basically that's the coffin that you're in.
The Tampa airport already deserted. Orlando's packed, set to close Wednesday, just hours before Milton is expected to hit the Sunshine State. Those trying to evacuate stuck in long lines for gas. Almost 20% of the gas stations nationwide are empty. Tanker trucks getting police escorts. One of the biggest dangers, the mounds of debris still lining the streets from Hurricane Helene just days ago.
Everything's projectile out here right now because everybody's house is on the front yard, and so all this is going to be pretty much missiles coming through. I'm not staying for this one.
Milton is now one of the strongest hurricanes ever recorded in the Gulf. Officials say the monster storm could still wobble a bit before landfall, but the eye is expected to hit somewhere in the Tampa Bay area tomorrow night.